Welcome back to Statistics Explorer. When you do your analysis in Statistics Explorer, you sometimes find pictures and correlations that you want to share with others. Then you can save them as stories. You find the story panel if you click on this bar here. The traffic and public transport authorities in Gothenburg have preloaded some stories out here. You have 3 of them here. There is one story named Potential Female Cyclists with Children, and that story is written by Camilla Pärlbeck. If I click on it, I will see the view that Camilla wants me to study. Everything changes here. If I look at the parallel axis chart down here, I can see that Camilla has filtered away a lot of areas. And these areas have become white on the map. So I can see that Camilla wants me to study these areas that are colored. And if I want to, I can zoom in to see what areas there are. I can move the map. And I can read what Camilla has written. I can click on another of Camilla's stories, Potential High Educated Cyclists. And here I get another view. Camilla describes the analysis that she has done so that I can follow her thoughts. There are 2 views she wants you to see in this story. The first one you see when you click on the story, and the second one, if you scroll down the text here, you find a link. And now look what happens when I click this link. I get another view again. When you have looked at other people's stories, you sometimes find that you have found interesting stories yourself. Maybe you want to send a good story back to Camilla. Then just click on the Create button. And you will get an area to write in here. I can write a name of the story I have found. I call it a challenge. And I write my name here. You can write your organization here. And down here you write the text you want Camilla to read. Then you go out and set all these views so that you get it the way you want it to be when Camilla opens the story. For example, I take this one down a bit. I want the y-axis to show the people going by cars. And I want the x-axis here to show highly educated women. I click on the plus and the minus until I get the map the way I want it. The red areas here show where people are satisfied with the possibility to go by bicycle. And I want to change this down here, pull it up a bit, so I can filter away some extremes. And I can mark some areas here. Out here there are a lot of possibilities to go by bike, but still they use their cars a lot. So I mark these areas, and this is the view I want Camilla to look at, because here is a big challenge when it comes to cycling. So I go back to the story editor. I have written some text here now, and then I click on Capture. And I close it. I have a new chapter here written by Ylva Lundin, and if I want to send this story now, which is saved as a local story just on my computer, I can export it. And if I click Export, I can save it to my computer as an XML file. And if I save it there, I can send that file in a normal email to Camilla. And when Camilla gets the email, she can open it by clicking Import, find the file and open it, and she will be able to see exactly this view that I wanted her to see. If you're working in a project, you can work together doing your analyses by sending each other stories on specific findings you have made. By doing so, you can give each other feedback on the analyses done in each city. In this way you can help each other finding correlations that can be interesting for the other cities as well. If you want to make a Statistics Explorer application for your own region, you will need Statistics Explorer Wizard, a shape file and a DBF file, and these two files will be produced by someone in your area knowledgeable in GIS. And then you need a text file made in a spreadsheet program like Excel, for example, that contains the data you want to put into your application. If you have access to Statistics Explorer Wizard and the 3 files, you will be able to make an application like this yourself. Good luck!